PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, your trusted HVAC contractor in Reading, Pennsylvania, providing reliable and professional commercial furnace repair services. Our team of highly trained and experienced technicians is equipped with the knowledge and tools to diagnose and repair any issues with your commercial furnace quickly and efficiently. Call our commercial furnace repair today if you have any questions. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial furnace? Commercial furnaces heat office buildings, hospitals, schools, and warehouses. These natural gas or electric furnaces are bigger and more powerful than household furnaces. What are the three types of furnaces? You have the option of purchasing one of these three primary varieties of furnaces for your location: natural gas, oil, or electric. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial furnace repair service have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Wernersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair service office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street, number 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Washington-st-reading-HVAC-service.